Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado oil from seed and skin. First, ensure your avocado seeds and skins are meticulously cleaned, removing all fruit residue. Then, dry them completely using a dehydrator or a low oven setting until they are brittle. Once dry, grind these components into a fine powder, which is crucial for the next steps in extracting the oil. This preparation ensures maximum oil yield. Now, let's explore the first extraction method. Combine your finely ground avocado powder with a food-grade solvent, such as hexane, in a suitable container. Stir this mixture consistently for several hours, allowing the oil to fully dissolve into the solvent. Afterward, carefully filter the liquid to separate the oil-rich solvent from any remaining solid particles. This step isolates the crude oil solution. Alternatively, consider a heat-based extraction. Place your dried avocado powder into a steam distiller or a hot press machine. Apply consistent heat or steam, which helps to release the oil from the plant material. As the oil is extracted, it will often mix with water. Collect this mixture, then allow it to settle, enabling you to easily separate the pure avocado oil from the water component. Finally, let's refine and store your homemade avocado oil. Begin by purifying the extracted oil, filtering it through a fine mesh or several layers of cheesecloth to remove any small particles. Next, decant the oil carefully, separating it from any residual water or sediment that may have settled. Store your finished avocado oil in a dark, airtight bottle in a cool place to maintain its freshness and extend its shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.